With the anticipated changes in the curriculum from old to new, here is the new TOS, or Table of Specifications for the Licensure Examination for Professional Teachers or LEPT, effective March 2023 examinations. This new TOS is based on the Philippines Qualifications Framework Level 6.
This presentation will give you the enhanced table of specifications for secondary examinees taking Filipino as their field of SPECIALIZATION.
The total number of items will still be 150, just the same.
With regards to the difficulty level of the Filipino majorship exams, easy questions will have comprised the 30% of the exams or equivalent to 36 points. The largest volume, which is 50% or equivalent to 68 points of the items, will be coming from the moderate questions. And the difficult questions will consist of 46 points or equivalent to 30%. This will make a total of 150 points. In terms of the distribution of items or points in the Bloom's taxonomy, remember will be 17 points. Understand will be 19 points. Apply will be 68 points. Analyze will be 16 points. Evaluate will have 16 points and create will have 14 points. The topics and components will be composed of 19 categories, which are the following: A. Introduksyon sa pag-aaral ng wika. 8% 11 points. B. Panimulang LINGGWISTIKA. 5% 8 points. C. Ang Filipino ang kurikulum ng Batayan Edukasyon. 5% 8 points. D. ISTRUKTURA ng wikang Filipino. 8% 11 points. E. Pagtuturo at PAGTATAYA ng makrong kasanayang pangwika. 5% 8 points. F. Ugnayan ng wika, kultura at lipunan. 5% 8 points. G. Paghahanda at EBALWASYON ng kagamitang panturo. 5% 8 points. H. Introduksyon sa pagsasalin. 5% 8 points. I. Introduksyon sa pananaliksik wika at panitikan. 8% 11 points. J. Introduksyon sa pamamahayag. 2% 8 points. K. BARAYTI at BARYASYON ng wika. 5% 8 points. L. Mga natatanging diskurso sa wika at panitikan. 5% 8 points. M. Panitikan ng rehiyon. 5% 8 points. N. Kulturang popular. 5% 8 points. O. Sanaysay at talumpati. 2% 3 points. P. Panunuring pampanitikan. 5% 8 points. Q. Maikling kwento at nobelang Filipino. 7% 9 points. R. Panulaang Filipino. 7% 9 points. S. DULAANG Filipino. 3% 5 points. To further understand each components, please read the following competencies. Here they are.
With these new set of table of specifications, I hope everyone who will be taking the licensure examinations come March 2023 will be guided accordingly. Comprehensive and holistic preparations are necessary to secure the much dreamed about LPT PIN and PRC license card as a professional teacher in the Philippines. If in case you missed the enhanced TOS or new table of specifications for general education and professional education for both elementary and secondary, please check the description of this video for the links for direction. Kindly share this information to your colleagues under the new curriculum, who are also aspiring to get their license. Please be guided accordingly.
Thank you so much for watching. Before leaving, please do click the like, subscribe and get notified buttons.